We are going to the chair. We're going to the little one.
Let's go.
It's too, you're too tired to go to the big chair again.
Take her up there.
But I want
No, we're going to run on this chair.
We're going to go on this one a few times, okay?
Yeah.
no. On this one.
But it's too big for you for, it's, you're too tired.
No.
You couldn't do it again.
But I made
Hey, look at me. Blow me some kisses. Blow me some kisses.
No, I mean,
She's already down.
She's at the bottom on chair 5.
But I mean to go on.
You want to go on chair 3?
No.
The big one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Because I got more energy.
You do?
Because I go like this, because that makes me more energy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll ask Mom, okay? Say bye.
Bye.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. I gotta ask mommy,
Stay
okay?
here then.
No.
Papa's gonna go ask. I'm gonna go ask. It did? Okay, I got it. I got it. I know it's getting ice on your face. Yeah, it did. We have to get down a little ways.
I made the receipt.
I know you do. Make sure you use your pizza, big one. Woo! That's a huge. You're doing good, kiddo. Perfect. See that? Yep, you're going too slow. Here, I know. Ready?
Okay.
I know you're okay.
Just get up and try again.
Yep, get up and try again. Good job. All right, go.
Oh, mommy. Mommy means. Get up.
You got it. Just go slow. Eddie will help. Oh, your pizza wedge fell off. We need to fix this. This is the crappiest one we've had. Yep, we'll have to get the one that screws down. You're doing perfect. I see that. Daddy's in your way. You're doing good. Woo! Yep, hold your pizza with those tired legs. What is this, your third run? Down the whole mountain? Let's take a quick look up. Oh, you can't even see it. Quick look down. There's the lodge. She's okay. Just hold your big pizza, okay? And side hill. Good job. Bigger pizza, more side hill. Big pizza, big pizza. Oh, that was so close. You had it. You had it. Your legs are so tired.
Yeah.
Good job. Say, I gotta get up and try again.
Get up. Let's try again.
Okay, here. Let Daddy help you. Ready? You are. You're doing so good. Here. Now, are you ready? Okay. Go get Mom. You've only fallen twice so far, and you're tired as heck. It's time to go home and take a rest. We'll do chair 5. Yeah, go down to chair 5, the bunny hill. Yeah, and then you can go fast, fast, fast. Yeah. Pay attention to what you're doing. I am. Daddy's up here. You're okay. Daddy catches you. Go. Daddy has to go fast.
Sorry.
Whoa, sorry, bud. That was close, really close. Good job. Are you flying? It is a bump. Let's follow Papa and Mommy. Oh yeah. You gotta go this way some more or you'll get tied up in a fence. You were so tired. Good job. We're going to the chair if you want to go again. You going where? Hey, where are you going? Where are we going? Is that the lodge? You want to go home? Are you tired? What are we going to the lodge for?
Because we need to rest.
We need to rest, but they're going to close soon. So you want to take a couple of chair fives to rest, and then we'll go home? All right, give us a high five and fist bump. Good job. Let's go. Whew. Go chair 5. Nice big pizza slices. You're making me hungry. You taking Pavla? Hold a big pizza so you don't fall down. We are going to the chair. We're going to the little one. It's too, you're too tired to go to the big chair.
We're going to run on this chair.
We're going to go on this one a few times, okay? But it's too big for you it's